Infinity Ahzee, taking action to develop the students.
Hello, dear student. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you this morning?
This morning we are fine.
Fine, thank you. Today I'm going to discuss about future indefinite tense. So, first of all, Maisha, do you know future indefinite tense?
Yeah, I do.
Good. So, please tell me what is the affirmative structure of future indefinite tense?
The affirmative structure of future indefinite tense is subject plus shall or will plus base from a verb plus extension.
Can you give me any example?
For example, I shall learn spoken English.
Good. I shall learn spoken English here. Shall is the symptom of future indefinite tense. Right. Thank you so much.
It's okay.
So, Miss Nidhi,
Yes,
so
please.
can you tell me the negative structure of future indefinite tense?
The negative structure of future indefinite tense is subject plus shall or will plus not plus base form of verb plus object.
Good. Can you give me any example?
For example, I shall not learn Hindi.
Oh, here shall not is negative form, right?
Yes.
So thank you so much. Okay. So meanwhile we have learned present indefinite tense, past indefinite tense and future indefinite tense. So next time we shall learn continuous tense. Okay. So thank you so much for joining today's class. Hope to see you next. Bye.
Bye.